Place the beaters back. Be sure that it locates for a spring action. Place the front door back on. Be sure to lift the levers up. Screw the bolts back on. Replace pump mechanism. Be sure to locate with the locating pin. Set machine to wash. Wait till product flows out of the hole of the pump. If this does not happen, crack the pump and insert some product in between the two halves. Tighten up the pump again. Once product is flowing out of the pump correctly, press reset, insert the pipe, set the machine to wash, and wait until bubbles start appearing in two small holes. Press reset, and the machine is ready for cooling.